Hi, my name is Christina. Today we're going to jump into Wohlfahrt Op.38 No.3. As a musician, we always want to survey our notation. So here are a few things that we're going to look at before we play Wohlfahrt Op.38 No.3. Okay, so we're going to check the key signature, the time signature, the type of notes, so our notation, our tempo, and to see if we have anything else in our music, such as repeats, dynamic markings, etc. It's a good habit to start surveying your notation early on, as we will be using these skills when sight reading our music. In this etude, we are in the key of C major. We have 2/4 time, which means that we are playing 2 quarter notes for every measure. And we also have another little bit of a challenge, which is kind of fun. We're going to be playing with our first finger. Because we are in the key of C major, our first finger is going to be a low one on the E string, contrary to what you may be learning in Suzuki, which would be a first finger on your tape. So in this exercise, you're actually going to have your first finger right in between the nut of the violin and your first finger tape. Look at the diagram. So let's talk about the A string. On the A string, you have a B natural. So your first finger is going to be on the tape. You will be alternating between having a low one and a one on your tape. So just remember, when you're playing your first finger, keep your finger tip down, pressing the string down instead of your finger pad, and you should be good to go. Another thing you want to keep in mind is the repeat at the end of this etude. Please use your eyes to follow along to the very beginning of the etude. The key learning objectives for this etude are going to be tonalization, correct left hand posture, and your intonation. Other skills that you want to maintain as you begin this etude are going to be having a correct bow hold and good posture. As always, before beginning this piece, be sure to relax your shoulders, relax your back, roll them out, make sure that you have good, nice, straight posture. Here's a quick reminder. When playing this etude, place your thumb a bit behind your first finger tape and curl your fingertips over the fingerboard so that you are in a more advantageous position to press down onto your strings. In the following excerpt, I will be playing this etude at 62 beats per minute. As a pedagogue, I love to see my students dedicate themselves to a lifetime of learning, so please comment below and tag me in the video of you giving this etude a try.